Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I welcome all of you for the environmental classes. Today's class is for 12th, and the topic is effects of water pollution. Water pollution is a serious threat for our ecosystem. It affects all living organisms. Its effects can be seen in the water bodies, environmental, marine animals, freshwater, and terrestrial plants and animals. Some of its serious effects are health ailments. Untreated water is ingested, results and causes diarrhea, cholera, stomach infection, and typhoid. Dirty water is a breeding ground for mosquitoes, so it causes filariasis and dengue. On environment, eutrophication. When the water pollution causes an algal blooms in the lake or marine environment, the proliferation of newly introduced nutrients stimulates the plants and the algal growth, which in turn causes which reduces the oxygen level in the water. This dearth of the oxygen, known as the eutrophication, suffocates the plants and animals and can create a dead zone where the water are extremely devoid of the life in certain cases. These harmful algal blooms can also produce neurotoxins that affect the wildlife from the whales to sea turtles. Number third is the biomagnification. Biomagnification stands for the biological magnification, which means the increase of contaminated substances or toxic chemicals that take place in the food chain. These substances often arise from intoxicated or contaminated environment. The contaminants include the heavy metals, namely mercury, arsenic, pesticides such as DDT, and polychlorinated biphenyls, compounds which are then taken up by the organisms because of the food they consume or the intoxication of their environment. These harmful substances then build up inside the organism's cells when the organism in the higher food chain consume the organisms containing the toxins below their trophic levels. The toxins gradually become concentrated in the higher food chains. This is a repetitive process in the ecosystem and throughout the entire food chain. Higher organisms are the ones that will accumulate most of the toxins. Biomagnification in humans may result more susceptible to cancers, liver and kidney failure, respiratory disorders, birth defects in the pregnant ladies, brain damage, and heart disease. It may also affect the reproductive health of the marine and freshwater living organisms. It can also result in destruction of the coral reefs and the food chain. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching me.